Trenaejxo, and I'm back with another video. It's November now, so we're in the middle of fall and winter is steadily approaching. The good thing about it is cozy season is here and in full effect. During this time of year, I live in sweats. They're super comfortable and they keep you warm. Cozy is life, cozy over everything. So this video that you're watching is part 2 to my Walmart haul. I put together a cozy street style lookbook for you guys featuring all of the clothes that I got in my Walmart haul. If you have not seen the actual haul where I'm showing you the things that I got in part 1, I'm going to make sure that I link that video down below, but stop this and go watch that right now so that you'll be up to speed with what's going on. I did notice though after watching that video that I left out a couple of items, so I just want to show those to you really quick. The first one is this camo bomber style jacket. As you can see, it has the quilted diamond design pattern here. I really love this bright orange inside lining. It's more of like a box style as opposed to the traditional bomber that is more like gathered at the bottom. But I still really love this. I got this in a size large. I treat camo like a neutral, so I feel like this will be good to kind of throw over any outfit. And it's pretty warm. And it's also, jackets like these are also good for the rain. So this was definitely a score. The other thing I wanted to show you guys was these jeans. These are the George brand of jeans that are in Walmart. Again, they're in the men's section. This is the lighter wash. They have, I think, like 3 or 4 different washes. I know they come in black, they come in this light wash, they come in like a medium wash, and I think that there's one more, but I really like this light wash. I like the medium wash as well. I do want to go back and get those because I picked them up but I got the wrong size. So yeah, but these are really good for like if you're looking for like mom jeans or just like a more loose, relaxed fit. And these are in the regular cut. So they're pretty like straight leg and more of a relaxed fit, not too tight and not too wide. So I really like these. I like the way that they fit. I love the wash. I like the stitching. So I'm really satisfied with these as well. And I got these in a size 32. But they are a little bit big. I did have to get them taken in at the waist. So I think when I repurchase the medium wash, I'm going to get a size 30. So yeah, stick around for the cozy lookbook, guys. If you do like this video and you're feeling the looks and you want to see more lookbooks from me, then make sure you hit that thumbs up button, guys. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Because I know some of you are watching and you haven't subscribed. I'm not exactly sure why, but now's the time to do it. And if you like these looks here and you want to see more, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll be sure to link that down in the description box below as well. And until next time, babes, bye. All right, guys, so in this first look, I'm wearing one of the fleece sets that I showed you guys. You know, I got this in multiple colors. So this is it here in black. It's the pullover crew neck sweatshirt with the matching sweatpant, jogger style sweatpants. And then I layered over that the camo bomber jacket that I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. For my purse, I'm carrying my Brandon Blackwood ESR mini tote. I love this bag. And then for my shoes, I'm just wearing the retro Jordan 1s in the pine green and black, just to play up the green and black and the camo print that's in the bomber jacket. As you can see, this bomber jacket has the coolest like lining inside. I love this bright orange lining for like a pop of color to your outfit. This would be for like a more cool or chilly fall day. And then in all of the looks, I just featured my gold jewelry, which is like a staple, something that you always want to include when you're wearing these kind of like street style looks. It just helps to make it more feminine. All right, so for this next look, I have the same sweatpants from the first matching set. I paired that with this AC/DC band tee. And then over that, I just layered this red and black plaid button-down shirt. For my shoes, I have just my Vans, the classic Vans. But these are the platform style. And then I just took some white socks and kind of tucked my sweatpants down into the socks. This is more of like that West Coast kind of vibe. And for my purse, this is a crossbody bag that I got from Shein. I love this little bag. I love the chunky chain detail. I think that's super cute. All right, so in this look, we have another one of those matching fleece sets, but this is in the heather gray color, and I have this crew neck pullover sweatshirt just draped over my shoulders. I like doing this with my sweatshirts on those fall days when it's kind of warm during the day, but then it cools off at night. When I get chilly, I can just throw this on, but this is just still a cool way for me to be able to, like take a jacket with me and it still be functional and practical at the same time. But if you're not into that, you can always just tie the shirt around your waist, no big deal. Paired with this, I have this long sleeve ribbed white crop top from Shein. But if crop tops are a little bit too much for you, you can always just wear like a bodysuit or a t-shirt or tank top or something like that. This purse I got from the thrift store, and then I paired it with these cozy dad sandals that I got from Zara that I absolutely love and I wear every chance I get. So this next look is definitely channeling that 90s vibe. So I have another one of those fleece hoodies, but this is in the zip up style. In the color of the season, I love this like brown maroonish kind of color that it's in. I paired it with this nude bralette top, my Brandon Blackwood ESR mini toe again. These jeans are also from Walmart. They're the ones I showed in the beginning of the video. These sunglasses were a really good find at the thrift store. They're vintage YSL sunglasses. And I just finished off the look with my pepper colorway Yeezy 380s. All right, so for this look, I'm back in that matching fleece sweatsuit set in the heather gray color. Only this time, the top is a pullover hoodie instead of a pullover like crew neck sweatshirt. I like having hoodies for cooler days in the fall just because it helps to keep me more warm. It helps to keep my neck warm. And if it's like raining or windy or something, I can just put the hood on. So over top of the sweatsuit, I'm going to layer this plaid puffer coat. I got it from Boohoo a couple of years ago, so it's probably not available still, but I love that it matches perfectly with these retro Jordan 1s that I also paired with this look and topped it off with this Shein crossbody bag again with this chunky silver chain detail. I just love this bag. It's so cute. I'm glad I was able to find it. But I just wanted to show you guys how versatile these sweatsuits are. You can wear them so many different ways. This look would definitely be ideal for some of those colder fall days or even going into winter. All right, so for this next look, I wanted to still keep it street style, but just switch it up a little bit. Still keep it cozy, but just give you a different take on like cozy and street style. So here is another one of those fleece sets. This color is called Heathered Blue, I think. I was really excited when I saw the blue because blue is my favorite color. And I was only used to like seeing the basic colors like the black and the gray and what have you. So I was like, yep, I'll take that, thanks. And then I just paired it with these yellow glasses that I got from Amazon, my gold statement jewelry, and this bag that I love so much is from Target. It's like this bone color bucket bag and it's furry and it's just, I love it. And then I have these square toe boots to match from Misguided. They're so comfortable. All right, so for this look, I kept it pretty simple. I have the fleece set here and the charcoal gray with the hoodie pullover style top. I paired that with these vintage YSL glasses again that I got from the thrift store, my chunky gold statement jewelry, this snakeskin bag from the thrift store as well. I love this like baguette style 2000s is what it gives me, 2000s, early 2000s vibes. And then for my shoes, I just have my Yeezy 350s and the Wave Runner. For this last look, I'm back in those charcoal gray sweatpants and I paired it with this Def Leopard band t-shirt. Now, like I was saying in the part one of this video, the band tees are a safe zone when it comes to like picking out t-shirts in Walmart. Those are always a good buy. And this shirt was only $8. Like, can you believe that? But I really, really like this t-shirt because it's in the tie-dye. And you guys know, like, tie-dye was so popular in the summertime. and even into fall. So it's really on trend, and I love the colors that are in the t-shirt as well, and the graphics of the shirt. And so I paired this with this crossbody Shein bag with this silver chain, which is a nice touch and a nice accent to the outfit. My old school Vans, and again I have my sweatpants tucked down into my socks. I just like that look. It switches it up a little bit, makes it a little bit more interesting to look at instead of just your old regular